This is the ThinkPad X1 Fold, and this is a 16-inch folding OLED display. Can fold all the way shut, roughly about the footprint of a 12-inch notebook. Folio stand and also Bluetooth keyboard, easily magnetizes together. You have the option of also using it in landscape or portrait mode. So for long scroll documents, absolutely fantastic, very easy. You have the option and ability to use an on-screen keyboard, or when you want that really good tactile feel keyboard, you can put the magnetized ThinkPad keyboard with our traditional ThinkPad input device, and you get roughly about a 10.8-inch screen usability. When speaking about sustainability, as sustainability is so important to all of us, this cover material on the A and the D cover is made of a woven nylon material that is recycled from water bottles. All of this fiber material on the folio case is also made of recycled water bottles, roughly about 5 water bottles on this folio. Going to packaging, our packaging for retail is made of a bamboo and sugarcane composite material that is 100% home compostable, so it will compost over time into the soil. You also have pen input. When you want to write documents, you have a very natural pen feel that also does magnetize to the product. And when you're ready to stow and go, you can fold it, magnetizes everything together, roughly about 4.8 pounds altogether. This is X1 Fold. This is the product that can replace a laptop and a tablet all in one design. If you want to learn more, click the link below. Thanks so much for watching.